Bananas are one of the most important food crops in the world. They are grown in more than 150 countries, with India and China being the largest producers. Bananas are not only delicious, but they are also packed with essential nutrients that may benefit weight loss, digestion, and heart health. Banana farming requires a specific set of conditions to thrive. Deep, rich loamy soil with a pH between 6 to 7 is most preferred for banana cultivation. The crop grows well in a temperature range of 15°–35°, with a relative humidity of 75 to 85%. Banana harvesting can commence when the fruit on the upper hands are changing from dark green to a light greenish-yellow, and the fruit is plump. Banana stalks take 75 to 80 days from flower production to mature fruit. When they're ripe, workers use sharp knives to cut the banana bunches from the trees. The bananas are then collected and transported to the processing facility. Once the bananas arrive at the factory, they are washed and peeled. The ripe bananas are carefully peeled by hand or using machines, leaving behind the soft, white fruit. These peeled bananas are then sliced into thin, uniform pieces to make banana chips. And the leftover banana plant stems and leaves are processed to extract the fibers. Banana fiber is a natural fiber obtained from the pseudostem of the banana plant. It is highly strong and has a somewhat shiny appearance depending on the extraction and spinning process. The process of making banana fiber involves fiber extraction, processing, and sorting. The fibers are extracted from the plant with care to avoid damage. The stem is cut into manageable sections and soaked in water to soften it. This makes it easier to separate the fibers from the rest of the plant. After soaking, skilled workers use special tools to carefully scrape away the outer layers of the stem. This reveals the inner fibers, which are strong and slender. The extracted fibers are then washed to remove any remaining impurities and dirt. Once the fibers are clean, they are spread out to dry. This can be done naturally in the sun or using machines in a controlled environment. Proper drying ensures that the fibers remain strong and free from moisture, which could cause them to rot. After drying, the banana fibers are ready to be spun into threads. These threads are then woven into fabrics by skilled artisans. The resulting banana fiber textiles have a unique texture and appearance, making them highly sought after for various products like clothing and home decor. One of the remarkable qualities of banana fiber is its eco-friendliness. Unlike synthetic materials, banana fiber is entirely natural and biodegradable. Now, let's switch gears and explore another amazing product that comes from bananas: banana chips. Banana chips are a popular snack made from bananas. In a factory, the production process of banana chips is generally carried out under a complete banana chips production line. This process mainly includes dicing, blanching, frying, seasoning, and packaging. The sliced bananas are then ready to be transformed into the popular snack we all know and love: banana chips. The sliced banana pieces are ready for the magic of frying. In the factory, there are big frying pans filled with hot oil. The banana slices are placed into the oil, where they sizzle and cook. Over time, they turn from pale to a beautiful golden brown, becoming crispy and delightful banana chips. After frying, the banana chips are seasoned to perfection. Flavorings like salt, spices, or even sugar can be added to enhance the taste. The seasoning is evenly distributed across the chips, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. After cooking and flavoring, the banana chips are transferred to cooling racks. Here, they cool down, allowing them to become perfectly crispy. Once they have cooled, they are carefully packed into bags or containers to keep them fresh and crunchy until they reach your hands at the store. Banana chips stand out as a healthier and naturally sweet snack option compared to traditional chips. They offer a unique combination of sweet and savory flavors and provide essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Their versatility, clean ingredient lists, and gluten-free nature make them an attractive choice for a wide range of snackers.